Hi guys, hope everyone's doing okay today. This is my Harbor Freight solar panel, Thunderbolt solar panel review. I got 2 sets of them here, 8 of them. They come in sets of 4. They're 100 watts per 4. So I got about 200 watts right here. And yeah, they work great. They really do. I built a little deck here. Not really the greatest looking thing in the world, but it's just to get them up off the ground for now. It's kind of just some stuff I had laying around. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on the deck because this ain't the final project here. And this is my battery bank. Let's see if I can pop this open. This is my battery bank. I got 5 35 amp hour batteries run into a Jupiter 2000 watt modified sine wave power inverter. And yeah, this powers up this runs my whole bedroom and everything, no problem. I got a little mini fridge. I got a heater, some fans, Xbox TV, and I'm still pushing. This is a voltage regulator, by the way. 12.7 volts. That's after all night of running. Usually it tops out at 13.8, but I ain't fully charged it yet. I think it was 13.1 whenever I started yesterday. But here's the ground to the power inverter. But yeah, you could disconnect these if you want to and separate them if you want less panels or less things to work with here. But I'm trying to get as much wattage as possible. I'm trying to get like bulk power if it's possible out of this. But anyways, this is my review. I enjoy the panels. They function all really well. And you just look up at the sky and see this little blue LED on top of these and know that it's working. So even on cloudy days, as they say, they work well. I got no complaints. The kit comes with 2 little light bulbs and the voltage regulators with well, these are really charge regulators. They regulate the charge from over discharge or overcharge, and it comes with your little pigtails here, which are like pretty simple. I mean, it's all just plug and play. You get this little what I would call a quadrupus to connect all 4 panels into one. And then this one wire right here goes all the way around and connects right here, which runs to the charge regulator. But anyways, that's my Thunderbolt Harbor Freight solar panel review. I hope everybody enjoys it, and hopefully, you end up buying this. I have nothing bad to say about them. They function more than I need them to, so yeah, definitely a great purchase. I recommend.